All right. Have a seat. Okay. So, next up, talk to your partner and decide if you're interested in either talking me through it or coming up here and showing us for a prize. You can all come up if you want to, or two of you can, if one of you wants to bow out. Or all three of you, your choice. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We're 2, you guys are 3.
What if one of your partners does and the other one doesn't?
Then I guess you guys don't.
Okay. That's what I figured.
Group 2.
It's been 2. It's like I knew. I knew. It's been 2 4 times.
It is not my fault that the calculator likes Peyton. All right, so.
I know, but I've been in.
Go ahead.
You got it.
Have a seat. Peyton, would you come talk by the computer?
Sure.
Are you doing recording still?
All right, here we go.
Alright, so what we did is we started off by multiplying the bottom one by -2.
Why?
To get minus 14y on the bottom. So it'd be 13x. Oh yeah, you can just put that. Negative 8x minus 14y equals negative 74. Then you would put add 13x plus 14y equals 59 under. So the y's would cancel out. Then it would leave us with 5x equals negative 15. So then you divide both sides by 5. And x equals negative 3. Then we plugged it into the top problem, so it'd be 13 times negative 3 plus 14y equals 59. So it'd be negative 39 plus 14y equals 59. And you add 39 to each side. And it's 14y equals 98. Then you divide both sides by 14. And y equals 7. Then you plug it into the equation, which is negative, or not the equation, the point, which is negative 37. And that's the answer.
Beautiful. Nice job, you guys. Well done. Grab a prize. Variety of dinosaurs. All right, now, here's the thing. You know how I've been kind of giving you an advantage with every single problem that we've done so far because I've always told you what the answer is?
Yes.
So next week, towards the end of the week, we're going to be taking a benchmark on this, our last benchmark. And I'm not going to tell you the answers, obviously, because it's a benchmark, right? So here's my question. Does anybody know how you could tell if you're right?
Plug it back in.
If you plug it back in, you will definitely see if you're right or not. We're going to try that right here. I'm going to take, remember, this is x, this is y. I'm going to write 13 times negative 3 plus 14 times 7 equals 59. And then if I put that in my calculator, my calculadora, where are you? Like my new calculadora? Ooh, it's gray. Everyone's impressed. Settle down, guys. All right, 13 times negative 3 plus 14 times 7, 59. You see how if I just type it in, I get 59, and that matches the other side? They both have to work, so it would also have to be 4 times -3 plus 7 times 7 needs to equal 37. 4 times -3 plus 7 times 7 is 37. So if it does actually equal that, you've got it right, and if it doesn't equal that, then something went wrong. Can anyone take a guess on how we're going to make this lesson a little harder next week? No, not division. Because division, like, let's say you wanted to divide by 2 on each side, or on one of the equations, you could just, instead of dividing by 2, you could just multiply by 1/2. So multiplication kind of takes care of all of it, yeah? No, that would make it harder. What?
Decimals.
No. Right now, what we're doing is we're multiplying one equation by a number, right?
2 equations.
If we multiply both equations by a number, that's going to get even more complicated. All right, everybody look up. This assignment is only half of the assignment, but I'm not going to give you the other half left yet because we don't know how to do it. These 3 problems plus an additional 3 problems will be due on Thursday next week. I just thought that maybe some of you would want to get like a head start this weekend if you felt like it. You could do those 3 problems. On Tuesday, we'll do the second half of this lesson. I will give you another 3 problems. On Wednesday, it'll be a work day, and Thursday, it will be due. Everybody okay with that? Perfect. You've got the rest of the